If you want to highlight something in your messages on Discord or give them a bit more oomph, you can always make the text bold, similar to how you can in pretty much any kind of text document. But how exactly can you make certain parts of your Discord message stand out by making them bold? Well, we'll be going over that in today's video. Now, for formatting, be it making text bold, in italics, etc., Discord mostly uses asterisks to basically let the system know what you want to format. So for example, one asterisk on either end will make the message appear in italics. Or for purposes of this video, two asterisks on either end are going to make the text appear in bold. Now on most keyboards, the asterisk is the alternate function of the 8 key above your letters. So you simply hold down Shift and enter 8 twice, and you're going to get two asterisks. Then you just yet again on the other side of the text you want to appear in bold to mark the end point. Because yes, you're going to make it that only part of the message is in bold, or you can make it that the whole message is bold if you put two asterisks at the very beginning and two asterisks at the very end. Now it is pretty much the same on mobile. All you have to do is just go into your special characters and once again find the asterisks there. Now keep in mind that the exact location of it will differ depending on which exact operating system you are using. As you may be familiar with from programs like Microsoft Word, if you just use Ctrl B, that also turns on bold formatting. And you'll be happy to know this shortcut also works in Discord. Simply highlight the text you want to make bold, then press Ctrl and B, and Discord will add the asterisks at either end for you. So that's a great way to save time. So that is exactly how you can make text bold in Discord, both on the desktop and mobile variants of the app. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How To Authority for more like this in the future.